hope you're doing well. So in this video I will actually do a redo for my 2015 kitty cat tutorial, because I keep getting comments all the time that it's so hard to see what I'm doing in some parts of the video, because I did film it in a very unsuccessful way. Still, it had a lot of views, so I decided it's time to fix my mistakes and create the same look with good visual description for you guys. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Same like in previous video, to make everything easier, I already did my base and eyebrows, and I also did some pre-done braids to get super wild hair for this look. So I'm just gonna take the braids away from the face so it's not really disturbing in all of the work. Put some kitty cat ears already to get the vibes, you know, and some music, because I was filming like at night, so I needed some zen, if you know what I mean. Use this Morphe palette, a 39A Dare to Create palette, eyeshadow palette, and just a very regular transition shade. I'm gonna blend right in my crease just so the job is more easier. In the next step, I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and with a very precise brush try to kind of create a line above my crease line. So I will imitate kind of a cut crease. First I just apply it like this, like just a line to visually see where it is. This part I use the tissue same like before, but actually if I did not have a base I would put tape, because it makes the job easier. You don't have to hold the tissue and the line will be blended very nicely and sleek and clean. But this time I just used a tissue because I didn't want it to mess up my face base. And yeah, I'm just gonna overdo again a little bit more that black eyeshadow and then slowly start to blend it out upwards, so it kind of creates that cut crease effect. And I'm gonna go back in with the black eyeshadow over and over again, just to intensify the cut crease smokiness, darkness, to make it more dark, and then I will go over and over again to blend it out very nicely, because it is black shadow, so it takes time, it takes patience to blend it out evenly and nicely. So yeah, then I just remove the tissue, take the same transition shade I used before and just smooth out the edges of the black eyeshadow so everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna take this Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighter palette and the shade Vacation. I'm gonna just apply on the brow bone to highlight it and make it, you know, pop more. I'm gonna use the NORVINA palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. With the first shade, Dreamer, I'm gonna spray the brush to intensify and more like foiled finish to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply all over my eyelids, and then I'm gonna go back with the black eyeshadow to touch up a little bit that cut crease line. Actually, you can go also in with a black eyeliner if you want to make it really sharp. And then I'm just gonna apply some gel eyeliner, make that cat eyeliner look. The finish and edge of the eyeliner I will just not connect with the eyeshadow. It's gonna be like a little bit separated, because in the middle I'm gonna apply some glitter eyeliner, so make sure that you don't blend them actually together with the black eyeshadow. And then from the same Morphe eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this kind of hazel brown shadow and just use it on my lower lash line and also a little bit in my crease to give the same color pop out. And yeah, then with the black eyeshadow and the same precision brush, I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line and then drag in away from the inner corner so it gives that cat eye look. And with a smaller blending brush, I'm just gonna blend together that black eyeshadow, like kind of smoke it out and blend it together with the transition shade. I'm gonna apply some black eye pencil in my inner waterline, and I'm gonna apply it just like till the middle of my eye and then just end it up right there. So we want to keep that inner tear dot part like white. That's why I'm gonna apply some more shimmery eyeshadow from the same NORVINA palette, and then we're gonna go in with some glitter eyeliner. This is from Urban Decay, the best glitter eyeliner I think I know in the market. And as I said, I'm gonna apply it like at the edge of the eyeliner applied before, and also in the inner tear dot to give that pop of glittery golden finish, shiny finish. Then we're gonna finish off with some mascara, my favorite Essence Get Big Lashes mascara, and of course some falsies from the brand Lash Dubai, if I'm not mistaken, in the style alya. Yeah, these lashes are super gigantic, like in your face lashes. To save your time and my time, I did the other eye off camera, and we're gonna finish the face right now. Just gonna apply some bronzer, contour that face, make those cheeks very chiseled as it is like a Hello Kitty kitty cat makeup look. And yeah, I'm using the NYX highlight contour palette. Gonna make my nose look a little bit more snatched as well. As always, that is like a must for me. Even the regular days cannot go without it anymore. And then I'm gonna use some RCMA loose powder to really intensify those cheekbones, and of course highlight the nose bridge bone. For my blush, I'm gonna use Essence Blush Up, this I say pretty old blush I have, but I like it so much because it is so like, I don't know, very bright but soft, you know. So yeah, we're gonna highlight also our cheekbones, highlight them as much as possible, because in Halloween night, like, you wanna glow the night away. Then I'm gonna dust off that baking I was doing there in my cheekbones, like that. So as you can see, I'm having a sippy of my yummy drink. And then we can begin with that nose part, which I kind of mess up at the end a little bit, because I started off very tiny, but it ended up bigger than I wished for. But yeah, it's up to you how big you want to draw the nose. For me, I did so many mistakes while making the lines that I just needed to make it bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it was just all over my nose. But anyways, here is how I'm making the nose part. It is kind of a little bit time consuming if you want to make it perfect. Then we also gonna make the lips. Upper lip is gonna be black, so I'm dragging a little bit the corners out, so it gives that little bit kind of cat smile face. You know, cats have those little puffy lips, upper lips, so this will make that illusion of the same. You can also overline a little bit the lip. And then I'm just gonna apply some NYX liquid lipsticks, liquid suede, to make it more long lasting. And with the gel liner, we're gonna apply the whisker dots on our upper lip portion, and also the whiskers. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. For the lower lip part, at the beginning I used this Wet n Wild CATSUIT liquid lipstick, Nudie Patootie, but it was so nude that I felt like my lip was not visible, so I added this little bit more pinky liquid lipstick from NYX, which is called Bedtime FLIRT. And yeah, the makeup is done. There you go. From here you can just do your hair as you wish. I just opened up my braids and I teased them a little bit in the roots, so they're more like wild and more voluminous and more like lionish. I don't know how to even explain. Anyways, if I would not go sleep after this, I would apply also hairspray and really try hard to make it nice and puffy and big, the hair. But I was so tired that I just ended up putting the cat ears, and I'm done. I'm out. If you did notice, and if you saw my old video of the same look, I had the same ears, the same
this belt. Same belt, like everything is the same, even the blouse I'm wearing. I have the same everything, so that's what I'm wearing as a cat. And pretty much that's it. If you have some latex, some leather pants, leggings there, go for it, and it will be like a nice, sexy, cute kitty cat look for Halloween. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Yeah guys, that's about it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Meow. I remember I scared you guys with this one last time. Anyways, bye. Have a nice Halloween.